Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this we're going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the iQOO 7 device versus Mi 11X device. And this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent MIUI 13 update from this Mi 11X device. As you can clearly see friends, I did update my device to the MIUI 13. And doing this kind of RAM management and the speed test, I'll try to use the 10 applications and 5 games. And you can actually see these 5 games I did place randomly in these applications. Clearly you can see. And let's see friends what will happen with the RAM management and which phone can actually store this many applications and games in the background RAM management. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So first, both phones should be connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. Let me connect to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. As you can clearly see, both phones are connected to same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So now all the apps should be completely clear from the background RAM management. So all the apps are completely clear. That's fantastic. And I did enable the external RAM capabilities in the iQOO 7 device, external RAM capabilities in the Mi 11X device as well. So let's get started with the first application, which is a Chrome application. And now let's open the Apple website and try to observe the loading speeds. And this very much kind of intense kind of testing sense, which I'm trying to do right now in this demonstration, because I did include like 10 applications and 5 games. Out of the 5 games, so I did include the big game, which is a battery mobile game as well. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. So let's go on a server. And ultra game mode, I did not enable the ultra game mode. So I forgot to mention that. Yes. So I did not enable that. Ultra game mode and the game turbo is not enabled between these two phones. So next is a touch sampling rate application. I'll try to draw some lines. Next is the Flipkart. Let's open some phone. Yep. And let's keep them in the background RAM management. In case if you want me to do this kind of speed test of using MIUI 13, let me know in the comment section below with what smartphones you want me to compare regarding the RAM management. I can definitely do that video as soon as possible. So Prime Videos, here we go. Is a Temple Run. So as I said, I did include random games and random applications. So in this way, we'll be able to find out what's happening with the RAM management test as well. So it's a speed test application which I thought of just including one Wi-Fi speed test doing at same time, both phones. So right now you should be able to see the speeds, what's going on. So right now you can see, yes friends, the speeds between these both phones. So doing the test at same time Wi-Fi connection, I'm trying to do the test. We got this kind of speeds. And now once this test finished, I'll try to go back to the home screen. After this one, yes. Next is the Amazon application. So even I'm not sure how many applications and the games will be in the background RAM management. FunTouch UI versus MIUI 13 at this moment. Slightly taking more time than usual to load this Amazon application. I'm not sure why. But on the top notification panel, I can see the 4.8 Mbps speed, something kind of downloading and loading, but it's not happening. That's kind of weird. So finally it did open, and let's go to the mobiles. So let's keep this phone in the background. Next is the Facebook. Here we go. Is a game, Ilkan Racing. And slightly kind of iQOO 7 is able to open a little bit kind of faster in terms of the games, little bit. Even the applications also are getting instant opening speeds in the iQOO 7 device, little bit. Instant openings are possible. So finally friends, the both phones did finish complete speed test comparison. So in the speed test comparison, we should not be like concentrating much, but in the RAM management, we should be concentrating a lot. So finally, all these 10 applications and 5 games are completely open in the background RAM management from starting to end. Now let's start with the first application, which is the Chrome application, whether this can stay in the background RAM management or not. Not bad. So both phones did keep exact same application background RAM management. That's fantastic friends, even after opening this many apps. What about the game? Battery mobile game. What about this one? That's not bad. So MIUI 13 did keep in the background RAM management. iQOO 7 did close this game. As you can see, it's there in the background. Not bad. When after the MIUI 13 update also, the RAM management didn't get impacted. That's what I thought of checking out. Next is the touch sampling rate. Try to look at the lines. Now let's see. Boom. Yes, both phones they did have the lines, no issues. And yes, Flipkart, Candy Crush. Yes, both phones. Play Store, some kind of lag, little bit. I did notice couple of times, but not continuously. And is a speed test. Yep, fast application. Amazon, no issues. As you can see, friends, how fluent, smooth it is between these both phones. Loading speeds, not a problem. Yep. So definitely, friends, almost all the applications and games were there in the background RAM management, but only the Battlegrounds mobile game is not there in the background RAM management in the iQOO 7 device. Apart from that, every application, every game is there in the background. But Mi Linux device did have even the Battlegrounds mobile game also in the background RAM management. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the speed test after the MIUI 13 update with this intense kind of testing, which a lot of just showing to you all what's going on. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.